It's Home Tip Tuesday, and my tip for today is all about getting your window screens in shape for summer. Window screens can get punctured or torn, but as long as the frame is in good shape, window screen repairs are easy and can be done in a few minutes. Before you go to the home center, know the size of your window. You're going to select a replace screen material such as fiberglass, which makes installation easier. Pry out the old spline with a narrow tip screwdriver. Lay the new screen over the frame so that it overlaps about an inch. Cut each corner at a 45-degree angle just slightly beyond the spline groove to keep the screen from bunching up in the corners. Starting in the corner, install the new spline by using a screen rolling tool to push the spline and screen material into the groove. Using a utility knife, trim excess screen material using a utility knife with a new sharp blade. You'll want to angle the blade when cutting. I hope you found this tip useful. Take care.